I can just hope and pray that we get justice. That's all I wanted from the beginning. You know, from the beginning I wanted to cover up investigating because it was part of it. You know, without the cover up, without the police and helping these guys to destroy the evidence, they would have probably been caught. You know, and probably been charged with murder and rape and not culpable homicide. I wanted the murder charge in the beginning because that's what I feel is the truth.
Yeah.
Have faith again in the judicial system that, you know, the next step might be good.
The accused were pronounced, they were acquitted due to lack of evidence. Now the lack of evidence remains a lack of evidence. You cannot create evidence in an appeal. We look at it from a singular perspective that we will get justice. Because if we try to find out who the criminals are, then those who have destroyed the evidence will ensure that the criminals will be acquitted because of lack of evidence. The perspective has to be complete. When we are looking at a syndicate doing a crime, we have to look at it as a syndicate. We can't look at it as an individual criminal. But I do know that the person responsible for the Anjuna police station at that point of time was Nerlon Albuquerque, right? And the person responsible to immediately hand it over to the CBI at that point of time was the Chief Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamal. Now, whether the delay has been done by the Chief Secretary or somebody below him, all that only an investigation will find out. The delay regarding hiding of the crime by other people, police officers from the Anjuna police station, that an investigation will find out. We know that this has happened. Now, who is responsible for it? An investigation can only come from.